Ooh, hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us reindeer. It's going to be very simple, easy, and completely for beginners. So if you're totally a beginner and you don't know how to draw this, you will learn how to draw this by the end of the video, okay? Stick around. It's only 8 minutes. 8 minutes, you will learn how to do this. Because we're going to go through it step by step. So let's get started. Oh, before I do that, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you like these 10-minute style drawing videos. But yeah, I'm going to be posting all the time, but it'll let you know when I post. So subscribe, bell, notification. Let's get into this. I'm going to have a curve over here. For the top of the visor. That's kind of like the viewport, right, of the crewmate. Curve around the corner. Go over here to the left. And underneath. It looks kind of like a pillow. That's kind of what I always compare it to. It looks kind of like a pillow shape, that thing, when you look at it abstractly. Gonna pull a line across it for like a shine effect, right? Over here I'm going to draw a circle for that reflectivity, right? Going over here, going to pull a line over here for the forehead. Pull more or less a straight line across the top. And pull a line straight down. Ma'am. Going over here to the front. Curve to straight. Underneath. So the cool thing about the crewmates is they have kind of like a teddy bear foot, like teddy bear body, like their feet specifically. They don't really have arms, right? Usually. And we're going to pull it around here too. It's this kind of marshmallowy kind of person. Really cute. And that's kind of, I think, one of the biggest reasons why they're so popular. They are really cute. I think they're cute. Pulling up for up one leg. Pulling in for the lower body. Gonna go over here and complete this, right? So we're gonna have that overlapping right there. It's an overlapping line, meaning the line's not gonna attach like here. See how right here it's just like line, like it's gonna attach. Right here, it overlaps this line, and that gives it like a cooler impression, and it indicates a form over here, like the belly. So definitely kind of remember that phrase, overlapping. It's something that happens like in all animation and cartoons. Going over here from the top to the bottom, middle. Line at the top. Out. Curve. Down. Line over here. Curve up. You have that backpack. Okay. If you want to make him look like Rudolph or something, like we can go like a circle here underneath. I think he's got a nose. But let's get into the antlers, because right now we have basically a normal crewmate, except for that nose. Let's get into the antlers. First things first, over here, maybe around this area, I'm going to start the antler on the far side. Over here, pulling up, antler on this side, the longest stroke of it. Looks like, sorry, looks like plankton. Curve front, pulling down just a bit, so we have the end of that first part of the antler. Up over here, curve in, down, pulling downward. So you have one antler. Well, kinda. We're gonna have a part on the back coming out as well. Over here, curve. We're actually drawing the ear now, because the deer have ear. The deers have ears. I didn't even know that rhyme till I said that. Going over here, curve. And then a line here for the center of the ear. It looks like a leaf. It's not. Over here on this side, curve. Curve right here. And then line right here. We got that same exact shape. Curve at the top, pull down for the one of the antlers there. Pull line out again, going into the next one. Curve again. All right. One more time here. Another curve out, down. In, out, down. So there you go. That's pretty much it. I'm going to stickerify this. By that I mean I'm going to throw a thick line just on the outside border, and it's going to make him look like a sticker. That's literally the effect it's going to have. Then here. Right on. Line over here. Just continuing to do that. You can try that on any drawing and just kind of see if it makes it better or not. Almost always I think it makes it look better, but sometimes it doesn't. Depending on the style that you're going for, it might not achieve what you want. I think for this cartoonish style though, it's great, and I love using it on like all kinds of tutorials. All right. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this. I'm going to be posting Christmas videos the entire month, so keep up. Hitting that subscribe is going to let you know when I post, and it's going to put it on your feed when you subscribe. Why am I saying subscribe? Like. I meant press the like button. If you want to become a better artist, check out the cool links in the description. I have 3 channels. There's this one, the Christmas one, right? Christmas/Halloween one on this channel. It's a seasonal channel. Then I also have the normal one where it's just every topic under the sun. They're short drawings, like 10 minutes. And then I have, that's easy pictures. Then easy things, where I have long drawings. I have half-hour drawing lessons on there. Go check that out as well if you get time. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I will talk to you guys in another video. And if you have any questions, let me know, okay? Stay positive about learning, and you will always become a better artist when you stay positive. Talk to you next time.